I know a student who got serious about learning Python 6 months ago. He bought courses, set up the environment, and put in the hours. Today, he has an impressive resume. He has finished 4 courses and built 5 full projects from scratch. But if you ask him to write a basic for loop from memory, he can't do it. Every time he had a roadblock, the exact moment where learning actually happens, he pasted the error into ChatGPT, copied the fix, and moved on. He isn't lazy. He followed the common advice to work smarter and use the best tools available. But in doing so, he removed the struggle required to actually acquire the skill. You see this everywhere online. Thousands of learners posting finished apps and course certificates as proof of their progress. But engineering managers are reporting a shift inside the interview room. They are seeing candidates with flawless portfolios who freeze during live coding exams the second the AI tools are taken away. They can talk about the project, but they can't explain the logic inside it. The gap between finishing a course and being job-ready hasn't disappeared. AI has simply masked it, leaving a new wave of developers without the foundational skills the industry expects them to have. To see why this is happening, look at how we learned before AI. You hit a bug. You read the documentation. You searched the forums. You tried 5 different fixes. That struggle is desirable difficulty, the processing needed for durable memory. Sitting with errors forces you to build an internal model, strengthening it with every failed attempt. Pasting AI answers skips this entirely. The bug is fixed, but your mental model remains fragmented. AI provides the result immediately, but it removes the architectural process your brain needs to understand the why behind the code. This raises a common question. If senior engineers use these tools every day, why shouldn't a beginner? The difference is the foundation. Experienced developers already have these mental models. When an AI suggests a block of code, they can critique it, spot inefficiencies, and identify security risks. A novice lacks the foundation to evaluate the output. Because they don't yet know what right looks like, they accept whatever the tool provides. We handed learners a powerful industrial tool without the essential safety instructions needed to protect their own cognitive development. The tool yields opposite results based on the user's experience. It makes an expert more efficient, but it leaves a beginner with a fragile understanding of the fundamentals. Relying on AI creates a false sense of momentum. You get a dopamine hit from checking off a course module, even if the knowledge didn't actually stick. It's like asking a master chef to cook every meal for you. You are eating well, but you aren't learning how to handle the ingredients yourself. Students are mastering how to prompt a specific model, a skill that is far less portable than learning how to think systematically. You don't have to delete the AI tools. You just have to change how you use them to protect your learning. Rule 1. The 20-minute struggle. Set a timer. Wrestle with the error independently for 20 minutes before you allow yourself to ask for help. Rule 2. The explanation mandate. Never paste AI-generated code unless you can explain exactly what every single line is doing. Rule 3. Understand, don't generate. Use the AI as a tutor. Instead of asking for a fix, ask it to explain the concept you're missing or why your current approach isn't working. Rule 4. The raw project. Build one application without any AI assistance. No Copilot, no ChatGPT. Use only documentation and your own logic. This framework restores the friction needed for memory while still letting you utilize modern technology. The technology isn't the enemy. The problem is how easily a shortcut can bypass the very effort required to grow. The most valuable skill a developer has is the ability to sit in confusion until it becomes clarity. That is a process no tool can perform for you. If you are learning right now, stay stuck a little longer than is comfortable. That friction you're trying to avoid is the learning itself.